Are you wondering what there is to do in the western suburbs of Chicago if you move out to the suburbs? Well, today I'm going to do a driving tour of downtown Lisle, and there is a cute downtown in Lisle for you to check out. Some cute restaurants, and I'll do a driving tour so you can see what it looks like. I'm a local realtor in the western suburbs serving downtown Chicago as well. I'm Amy Pearson, real local realtor, and I do weekly videos just like this one on community info as well as real estate information. Hit the subscribe button if you like my video. All right, let's get started on the driving tour today. All right, here we are driving right into downtown area of Lisle, Illinois. It's a sunny day here in Lisle, Illinois. So we've got the downtown area. We've got some cute shops. There's a handcrafted churros place on the right. It's a cute little downtown. There's a barber shop. There's a flower shop. There is a wine bar on the right, as well as a pizzeria. So there's lots of stuff going on. There's Tina's Closet, it's an undergarment store. You can see the train right ahead. This train's going over a bridge. So the downtown Lisle is, of course, located right by the Metro train stop, which we'll be going by in a second. The parking lot for the Metro's train station, which is always important. If you're living in the suburbs of Chicago, you gotta know about transportation. So on your right is the parking lot for the Lisle train station. It's still pretty empty because we're still kind of in COVID times right now, and not everyone is commuting to downtown Chicago. But that is the Lisle parking lot. I believe there are express trains to downtown Chicago from here. And we are just on the edge of the downtown Lisle area. Just giving you a little bit more feel for the area. On the right, there's the museums at the Lisle Station Park on the right. It's like a train station museum. There's a little caboose, so if you are a train lover or you have kids that like trains, you might want to check out this museum right by the Lisle train station. Alright, so I looped back around, driving back down into Lisle downtown. We just drove by the fire station, and there's a Northwestern Medicine on the left. And we're driving back into the shops. So it's a smaller downtown than Naperville, but there are lots of cute shops, walkable in the downtown little strip area over here. And there's a few restaurants to check out as well as shops. See, we've got Pound Cake Bakery straight ahead. I'm not sure if you can see it. All right. And I looped back around. We were back on Main Street of the downtown Lisle, and I'm going to go straight into Ogden Avenue. So that's kind of a little quick driving tour. And on the corner, we've got a little pancake house, the Fox restaurant as well. So that's a quick little downtown Lisle driving tour. There are a few things to do in downtown Lisle, as well as the train station to get to downtown Chicago. Hope you enjoyed my driving tour of downtown Lisle. I've got a great video coming up that I think you'll enjoy. It's the top 3 things to do in Lisle, so check out my video.